Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the default country in the Zap-Map application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the app settings button at the account section. And at the user preferences section, click on the default country button. And as you can see, the United Kingdom and Ireland is already there. And if you want to set you can set it to other, so just click on the one that you want to use, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.